It's Wednesday morning. This week's been very hot, high 90s all week. Basically, we can get out in the morning for about an hour or two, cut some grass, water the plants, trim whatever we can trim. I've been tidying up the Agroforest over here. It's looking pretty good. It's looking nice and clean. This is a little bay leaf plant. Some of these citrus trees are about maybe 3 meters tall now, so they're coming along pretty well. And we've got a lot more of these watermelon coming in. Down here we got some good sized ones. And here's a much bigger one. So it's about 9:30 now. Time to call it for the day.